Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today I'll show you the Larksfoot crochet pattern. This is more of an intermediate level, so please review my beginner videos if needed. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. To begin, chain 29 or any multiple of 4 plus 1. Double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Make another double crochet. We're going to be working in 3s in this pattern. Chain 1. Skip 1 and make 1 double crochet in the next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Skip 1 and make 1 double crochet in the next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Continue across the row in this pattern. Chain 3 and turn your work. On this row, we're going to double crochet over all of the double crochet stitches. And then chain 1 over all the chain 1 spaces. Double crochet over all of the double crochet stitches. Chain 1 over all the chain 1 spaces. You can see what this looks like. At the end, I'm making my 3rd double crochet, but before I finish, I attach the new color. Chain 3 and turn your work. In this case, we're going to be working in 3 over these stitches. The chain 3 is our first double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, and make 1 double crochet. Over these spaces, we're going to make an elongated double crochet stitch. Next, make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, and make 1 double crochet. Over the next spaces, make another elongated double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, and here's the set of 3 stitches again. With the elongated double crochet, you just pull up your loop to equal the height of the other stitches and proceed with finishing the double crochet. Continue this across the row. We began with a double crochet and chain, so we're going to end this row with a chain and double crochet. Chain 3 and turn your work. Same thing as before. Chain over the chains and double crochet over the double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Continue this across the row. At the end, we chain 1 and do a double crochet in the last stitch and change colors. Chain 3. This time we'll be doing our elongated double crochet stitches over these spaces. Always think in groups of 3 stitches with this pattern. Chain 1. Double crochet. Elongated double crochet. Double crochet. Chain 1. Continue this across the row. At the end of this row, it's a little tricky. Double crochet. Do your elongated double crochet. Then you'll have to pull out your previous chain 3 to be able to make your last double crochet in it. Chain 3 and turn your work. On this row, we're going to do double crochet stitches over the previous row's double crochet stitches and chain 1 over all the chain 1 spaces. At the end, I'm connecting the pink again. This row of pink will be exactly like this previous pink row. Chain 1. Make your 3 double crochet stitches here with the elongated double crochet in the middle of the set. Continue repeating these rows for as long as you wish. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.